Hello, welcome back. Today, we'll focus on how to use GamedayMath Picks Page, a feature-packed dashboard that helps you identify the most promising betting opportunities across a wide range of sportsbooks and sporting events. The Picks Page is your gateway to top-down betting, a strategy that leverages the most efficient markets and sharp sportsbooks to spot value and exploit slower-moving recreational books. Let's dive in. Let's start by exploring what you'll see on the Picks page. Here, you'll find a list of available bets, each one ranked by its BetScore. In simple terms, BetScore is a comprehensive metric that brings together a variety of important factors and combines them into a single, easy-to-understand score. This makes it straightforward for users to evaluate the overall value of each betting opportunity on GamedayMath, helping you quickly identify the top picks for a top-down betting strategy. The 5-tier color system for BetScore is easy to follow. It ranges from red, which means poor, all the way up to green, which stands for excellent. Here's what each range means for you. Scores between 80 and 100. These are excellent bets. Over the long run, these are expected to be highly profitable. Scores between 74 and 79. These are good bets, but you should take a closer look before diving in. Scores between 67 and 73. These are decent bets. We wouldn't recommend betting on them blindly, but there could still be some value here. Scores between 0 and 66. Our advice is to avoid these bets altogether. Let's walk through the betting process. Here is a play on the under in the Royals-Cardinals game. It has a bet score of 79. This appears to have all the makings of a good play. The estimated ROI is over 2%, and odds of the bet are minus 124, while the Nostradamus Novig expects the odds at minus 130. There are some secondary checks that we like to do to make sure this is a good bet. The first is to compare the line against some market-making books. The second is to check the line against the analytic projections. This is much less important as we are top-down betting and care more about the markets. Everything looks good. There was $114 available at that price on the Novig app, so we made that trade. Now, we put this information in our bet tracker for analysis at a later time. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content about GamedayMath.